Hello everyone! Today in this video we are going to make Sourdough Marraqueta. Currently I'm living in Chile and Marraqueta is very important bread for Chileans. On YouTube I couldn't find a recipe for sourdough version. I watched a lot of videos with yeast and just created my own version of sourdough. If there is an error and you think it's not acceptable for Chilean Marraqueta, let me know in the comment section. And now, let's get started. For this recipe, we need levain. It has another name, poolish, which I usually do before going to sleep because the fermentation time requires 8 to 12 hours. To do this, we need 40 grams of sourdough, 100 grams of water, 1 small spoon of honey. Mix everything, and when the honey dissolved, add 120 grams of flour. Mix everything together. So here I'm using a transparent jar so that we can see the level of fermentation, because it should triple in size. In the morning, as you see, my levain triples in size. To have this result, our starter should be active in first place. Now it's time to do our main dough. For this we need 500 grams of flour, 10 grams of salt, and we mix it. And then you need 250 grams of water and all of your levain. First we mix everything with a spatula. When our dough comes together, here in my case I leave it for 30 minutes. If you have stand mixer, it can be mixed immediately for about 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, as you can see, that this time it helped the gluten develop and allowed me not to knead the dough for too long. I'm going to knead for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to let it ferment for 3 hours or until it doubles in size. After 3 hours, my dough is ready. First, you must divide your dough into 8 parts. In this stage, it is better to use scale because you need to be precise. With 8 pieces of dough, we will make 4 marraquetas, and to have their famous shape, we need to join 2 balls and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we need to take a wooden stick. In my case, I'm using my kitchen utensils. Push 2 balls down and then flip them over and let it sit for 30 minutes more. After 30 minutes, it's time to make our marraquetas. You should bake with pushing side, which is going to be our front size. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees of Fahrenheit and bake at high temperature for 5 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees of Fahrenheit and bake for 30 minutes more or until golden brown. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and if it was useful to you, you have to subscribe to my channel because on this channel everything is about sourdough. And for example, I'm the first person who uploaded a recipe for sourdough marraquetas. If you have difficulty finding a recipe for your own traditional bread, you can write your country and the name of your bread in the comment section. I'll try to do it for you. Thanks for your attention and bye.